Before we get started, there's a few things I would like to talk about. The first one is the size. In case you're wondering what size the magnets are, this is probably the most recommended or the standard size for most vehicles. The height is exactly 12 inches tall by a little over 24. This one's actually 24.25, which is exactly the size of the roll of magnet. Now let's go inside the house because it's getting really dark. Right now it's like around 8 or something, or maybe a little earlier than that. This is the type of magnetic material that we're going to use for this project. The brand is Magnum Magnetics, and you can get them from uscutter.com. Now, if you would like to support our channel, you can get them from our website. That is www.rdidecals.com. Thank you for your support. Now, if you decide to get them from uscutter.com, there is a little secret that I would like to share with you. First of all, we're going to use the matte finish and not the gloss finish. I mean, there is a reason why we switched to that, which you're about to find out. If you decide to get the roll of magnetic material, first of all, they have two different options. They got the 25 feet and the 50 feet. But it's a lot cheaper getting the smaller quantities, and it also qualifies for free shipping. I mean, there's like a minimum of, to get a free shipping, I think it's like $200. And the thickness of them, we're gonna use the 0.76 millimeters. And the vinyl cutter we're gonna use for this project is the Graphtec CE6060. I don't think there are any surprises there. Most of you already know that this is our favorite vinyl cutter, the best machine that we have owned. I mean, we also have a Cameo 4, which is a 12-inch, but we also have the Cameo 4 Pro 24-inch vinyl cutter. But yeah, those have a lot of challenges, and that is the reason why we decided to use the best machine that we own. Unfortunately, we do not have a digital printer. That is the reason why all of our products are made with a vinyl cutter, in case you are wondering. And the type of vinyl we're gonna use is the Oracle 651, and this is the type of transfer that we decided to use for this project. A question we hear a lot is about the size of the letters of the font, and for this we made them not even half an inch. They're like probably like 0.35. I strongly recommend that you guys keep them at least 0.6. I mean, preferably like an inch, but we have a lot of information which is impossible to make them bigger. We had a hard time weeding the letters out. Now that our vinyl is ready, we can start weeding it out. And as I mentioned, we're gonna have a hard time doing it, but we're just gonna take our time. We're not in a hurry. That is another of the great things of working from home. Nobody is pushing you to get the job done. Guys, if you're liking this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Also share our content with your friends. We will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. When we face a design that has more than one color, like the one we are dealing with today, usually the first layer we do it dry, we apply it without any rapid tag. But for the second layer, we try to use the rapid tag. Sometimes we use the registration marks, but for this project in particular, we decided not to use those registration marks. And that is another of the reasons why we decided to use the rapid tag, because you can easily position it or move it around if you need to. You have a few seconds or a few minutes before the design or the vinyl dries completely. Actually, I said rapid tag, but we didn't use rapid tag. We used the homemade solution, and this is how you can make your own homemade solution in a bottle. Put about 90% water, 10% rubbing alcohol, and a few drops of dish soap. That is very easy to make. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. Remember that we have memberships available if you want to support us additionally. Just go to the join button to see all the options available. If you like this video, of course, make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys until the next one.